Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. I always get confused if I'm supposed to say Glam Bag Plus because there's actually no bags. And if you're one of the first people to receive the bags like I was the first 2 times around, then lucky us. Other than that, it's just a box. It does retail for $25 a month and you receive about 5 full-size items. A lot of good brands do come in this box, so that's always a yay. So we're going to go ahead and open this baby up. So it says, welcome to the block party. So that's the theme. And then it comes with this little pamphlet that tells you a description of all the items that are going to be in the box and their prices, which I like having all that information. This is really cute. And then when you open it, it says, so it still does say right here, Glam Bag Plus, but there's no bag in here. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Then we go ahead and open it up. And the first thing I'm going to pull out is Big Look. Pure from Pure. This lipstick. Oh. What the heck? I don't think it was supposed to do that. Oh, there it goes. Well, that didn't work out too good. Okay, so it's a mascara. This is really hard to pull out. I already don't like it. Look at that. Can you hear it? It's like super tight. Okay, and I already don't like that type of, what, applicator, is that what you call it? Yeah, look. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Not thrilled. And that retails for $21. For extra fanned out lashes, a coat, I don't care for it already. Okay, so the next item we receive is from Tersequi. I just received this brand in another box. This is a multi-purpose brand, or multifunctional, I guess that's how you would say it. So every product that they have is for more than one purpose. And this is the 2-in-1 crayon and refillable lip balm. Travel friendly for life on the go. So this side is, I guess, the lipstick. Oh, and that's magnetic. So, okay, at least this packaging is better than the last one. And then right here it says lip balm on this side. Oh, I already screwed up. So there's the lip balm, but that's little. That's hardly anything. You're going to run out of that fast. And that retailed for $25. So the next product that we have coming out of here is Generation Clay Ultra Violet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I've actually never tried a clay mask. I don't know why. I've tried all kinds of other masks, but I don't think I have a clay mask. It's very heavy. It feels heavy, like if there was clay in it. So, and it feels like clay. That's really thick. So I'm excited to use that. Yeah, that's super thick. And it kind of does smell muddy, but like clean mud. Or minty with the mint. Oh no. And that retails for $39. So that's pretty good. The next product we have is CO Sunday Relay. The Vitamin C Rich Hydrating Cream. So I wonder if this is like a moisturizer. Ooh. That smells good. It smells like lemon. It is a moisturizer. It says moisturizing. Moisturizer is deeply hydrating without being greasy. To visibly brighten dull skin, fight the signs of dehydrating and damage. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you that retails for $65. Massage it into clean skin AM and PM. So it's a morning and night cream, moisturizer cream, which is perfect. Look at how much is in there. That's a lot. So I've been needing a moisturizer, and there I go. Okay, the next product is the Tetris by Ipsy. Game on. Oh, that's so cute. So it's like a little Tetris game. That's cute. Tetris by Ipsy. So is Tetris the brand? I'm confused. Gosh, I can't take this out. I don't want to mess up the packaging because if I don't like it, I like to give my stuff away. Okay, here we go. Oh, darn. Okay. Here we go. Oh, this is cute. So you have your little mirror right there. I don't want to blind you. And then you have your colors right there. Let me put it this way so you can see better right there. I don't know. I think because of the game, I don't know, I guess because of the whole packaging, I would think the colors would have been like a lot brighter. These seem a little more dull, except that for that blue. But, I don't know. I kind of wish if I opened it, it would have been like bam. But they're kind of dull. All right, so you have Game Changer, which is this mustard color. Game Day, which is like a pink, more like a pink or like rose gold type of color, maybe. And then Game Night, this gold. Stack It Up, this like natural color right here. Block Party. And then you have Game Over, this blue, which that's probably the most impressive color that I see in there. Not sure. Actually, I'm very sure. I probably wouldn't use this palette. So this is going to go into a giveaway. Maybe someone will appreciate it more than me. Okay, so what do I think? I don't know. I'm not really excited about this box. And I normally get really excited about my boxes, so it's really disappointing. I mean, these are total wins. Like, I'm excited that I got this, but these were like, and this once again was just the palette. I wasn't impressed with the colors. I'm not even gonna swatch it because I could just give this away. And this, I have so many items like this that I received from this brand that I can live without it, and I could throw it into a giveaway that will be having very, very soon. So stay tuned for that. I say stay tuned. Do you say stay tuned anymore? Because it's not TV? I don't know. But stay connected because I have a giveaway coming up. So let me know, what do you guys think? Did you like your box? Were you feeling the way I was feeling? Yeah, I don't know. I'm really sad about it. Hold up, hold up. I completely forgot to tell you the total value of my box, and that's $174. So if you want more information on this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then check out the link in my description below. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. It does not matter. Just let me know what you thought of the video. And as always, I love you, and I'll catch you in the comments below.